Patalofatu le tato tunu Levi ngola woli. Le Fasasonga Samoa Niasa. I'm here with Cardinal John Dew, who is the leader of the Catholic churches here in New Zealand and based here in Wellington. Cardinal John Dew. Talofalava Cardinal, how are you?
Talofalava, I'm very well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I know the Catholic Church in here in Wellington, the Samoan community, rallying behind to get this vaccination clinic going. Can you describe your support of this event today?
Yeah, Father Maleko contacted me a week or so ago saying that they were going to do this, and I encouraged him to let all the Samoan people know that this was on, because it is so important for people to be vaccinated, to keep themselves safe and to keep others safe. And you know, we keep hearing about the numbers of Pacifica people being low, so this is a wonderful opportunity. I'm delighted to see so many people here, and not just Samoans, a whole lot of other people as well, because as this virus continues to spread, it's just essential that everyone is vaccinated, and that it's a way to keep their families safe and to make sure that they're not passing it on to everyone else. So I'm fully supportive, and I think it's wonderful that it's here, and there's a great atmosphere here with people, great atmosphere.
As Cardinal and as a leader of the Church, Catholic Church here in New Zealand, what would you say to those people who are hesitant to come out and get vaccinated? Is the Church standing behind the response for COVID?
Absolutely. Yeah, right from Pope Francis down. Pope Francis was encouraging people all over the world to be vaccinated, and he says we have a moral responsibility to do that, to keep ourselves safe, to keep others safe, and for people not to be hesitant, because it's, you know, we're sort of obliged to do what we can to maintain good health and make sure others maintain good health. So everywhere we're saying to people, look, there's nothing wrong with this vaccine. Some people think that, you know, it's not the right thing, but it is the right thing, because it's the only way that we're going to contain this dangerous virus around the world. And here in New Zealand, you know, it's the numbers are spreading. It's here now, but we still can contain it and maintain safety for everyone.
That's amazing. From a faith perspective, can you speak to those people who are saying that as a Christian, as someone of faith, that Jesus is all I need and I don't need this vaccination?
We're always obliged. It's not enough really just to say that Jesus is all I need, because we're actually obliged to take whatever measures we can, vaccinations, medication, to keep ourselves healthy. And so for people who are thinking like that, I would certainly encourage them. You know, it's not enough to say Jesus is all I need and think that food and drink will just suddenly appear. We've got to go out of our own way to get food and drink. It's the same for this kind of thing. It's the food and drink for our health, our mental health, our physical health, which has to be maintained. So it's wonderful to have faith in Jesus. It's wonderful to have faith in Jesus. But we've still got to do our own part.
Any last words for our community and our faith community here for the vaccination?
I'd certainly just continue to encourage people to be vaccinated if they're not already vaccinated, and to look for ways, also in a time now, with time of difficulty and challenge for people, where people are anxious, to look for ways to give hope to each other, give strength to each other, because if we're not helping one another in a time like this, people will struggle. So I'd certainly say, look, get out there, make sure you're helping others, be vaccinated, keep yourself safe, keep clean, sanitise, wear masks, keep distances. It's the only way we're going to contain this.
Thank you very much, Cardinal John Dew. La fionga le ya Cardinal John Dew, tai o le Kalesia Catholico, el pulanga nei Wellington, ya North. Thank you very much once again, Fafatai. Tai lava. Thank you.
Thank you.